Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to unlock the LG G8. Currently I have an AT&T SIM card in here, and if I want to use it on a different carrier such as T-Mobile, I'll need to unlock the phone. So I'm going to show you how to unlock the phone so you can use it on any carrier worldwide that uses GSM, and it will stay permanently unlocked. So I've partnered with the unlocking company to show you how to do this, and they've sponsored this video. So let's get the first thing we need, which is the IMEI number. So the easiest way to do that is to open the dialer. We'll open the dialer and dial *#06#. That will pop open the IMEI number, and what we need to do is write that down. Be very careful, make sure you've got it exactly how it is here, and let's go over to the unlockingcompany.com so that we can get our unlock code to get this phone completely unlocked. We're at the unlockingcompany.com, and the first thing we need to do is select our phone manufacturer. So we'll go ahead and click on the phone manufacturer here and click LG. And then we'll select our model, and in this case it's the G8. So we'll scroll down, go all the way to the LG G8 ThinQ. Then we'll click Unlock Now. Now on this page we need to select the country we purchased the phone from, so we'll go ahead and click the country, and in this case it's the United States. And then the carrier is AT&T in this case, so we'll go ahead and click Next. All of our information is in place. Now, as you can see, here's the price, and this can vary depending on the country and the carrier, and the average delivery time says 1 to 12 hours. Now, keep in mind, again, this can vary depending on country and carrier, and sometimes can take more than a week, but usually it's pretty quick. Let's go ahead and click Order Now. Now, on this page, all we need to do is verify our information is correct on the top, put in our payment information on the bottom, and click Order Now. Once we receive our unlock code via email from the unlocking company, then we can unlock our phone. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once you've received your unlock code, we need to enter it into the phone. So the first thing we'll need to do is let's just power it down here. We'll power it off, and then we need to swap the SIM card. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll pop the old one out here. Now, technically you could do this while it's on, but you're probably going to have to reboot it anyway. So there is the AT&T SIM card. Let's pop this one out, and we'll put in a T-Mobile SIM card. Now, here is my T-Mobile SIM card. We'll put it in place here, and let's go ahead and power on the phone. Now, as soon as the phone boots up, you'll be greeted with this message: SIM network unlock pin, unlock attempt 1 of 10. So we'll take the unlock pin that we received from the unlocking company and we'll place it in here. Now we need to be very careful because if we put this in incorrectly 10 times, it will permanently lock. So just make sure you type it in very carefully. So let's go ahead and enter that. Now that we have the unlock pin in place, let's go ahead and hit unlock. Now, as soon as we hit unlock, it will verify and immediately go to this screen, and then it will go to the home screen. Now that we're at the home screen, let's verify we have connectivity. So you can see we have 4G up here in the upper right. Let's check our network settings. We'll just go here, and then we'll go down to mobile networks, and under mobile networks, we've got access point names, and you'll see we're on T-Mobile right now. So let's see if we can go to a web page here. We've got Google. Let's go to my web page. And it looks like it's going to load just fine. And we're getting voicemail and everything already. So my web page is a little bit slow. Let's go to Android. There we go, it loaded, and you'll see everything's loading just fine. Now that it's unlocked permanently. It will never relock, and you can use it on any GSM carrier worldwide. I'll link the unlocking company in the description below, and also if you have any other comments, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.